Hello guys, Alex is here. Today we're gonna play Subway Surfer. Okay, I played Subway Surfer about months ago, and yes, I love this game, but it's very fun and it's offline game. I didn't say online; it's offline. All right, let's just start. I'm 13. Okay, let's just start a game. I'm sorry. All right, guys. Why you play this game? You just chase away by cops. Yeah. Alright guys, August is gonna end soon, okay? September's coming out. Okay, let's start. I know this game. I know. I played this game before. Crouch. Fresh move. Oh no. Go. Oh, my bad. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, I'm so good. Oh, I forgot I have hoverboards. Why haven't I used that? Alright guys, if you're OG, please play this game, okay? You're still OG. If you're not OG, just play Gen Z game. Okay? You're not OG. I want that. No, I'll take that. Sound beat your high score. Not gonna lie. Why am I doing good? Why am I doing good? Jump. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, why is it tense? I'm not gonna lie. Crouch. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't get a letter. Darn it. Alright. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm blind. Woo. Okay. I was too excited. I went anxious. Sorry guys, I went anxious. Oh my gosh. Dude, no! Ooh, 2,000 score, not bad. Yeah, I did everything. Blah. Wait, have I did this? Well, I'm not done? Alright, let's just continue the game. I'm sorry. Let's continue. Time with my high score. Wait, what is this thing for? I forgot. Oh, I know this one. It's a boost. Okay, I'm not gonna use it just yet because this is free to play. Alright, this is play to win, not using boost to win. What am I saying? I'm so weird. Yes. Let's go. I got a gold. Ooh, jetpack! Yes, I can fly. Oh my gosh. Okay, why is this enhanced bit? Let's go! Come on. Oh my gosh. Okay, what is this? Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I'm doing good. Oh shoot. Here it goes again. I hate this one. Yes. I want that. Give me that. I want that. Yes. I'm not gonna lie. I'm doing good. Oh, I don't have the magnet. Dang it. Okay. Oh my gosh! Here goes a jetpack. Combo. Okay. Oh my gosh. No. You gotta be kidding me. Ooh, 6,004. Okay. About 2 power-ups I did. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Whoa! I gained boost! Hold on, let me do more. Oh, okay, I ran out. Oh, I got a magnet. Oh, watch out. Watch out. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh, I get. Oh, you can get this, but I don't know. I'm not pay to win. I got L. Oh no! Oh my gosh, never mind. Oh! I got this. I don't know why I got. Oh my gosh, this is intense. This is intense. Okay, I don't know why this thing gets intense for. Go down. Oh my gosh. Woo! Wait, I can do this. Woo! High score, new high score. No, I went expert. I went expert. No, no, no! You gotta kill me. Are you serious? Ooh, 3,000 score. It's a lost score, but it's alright. Oh, I got. Oh, I got the score boost. Oh, I got a reward. What's that? Oh, what's that thing called? How do I claim it? Claim? Whoa. Wait, what? I have to claim ad? Okay, let's just hurry up, okay? These ads are gonna take so long, okay? Hurry up. Okay, I did it. Yay, I can now. Are you serious? I have to do another one? Alright, again. Alright, I think that's it, I guess. Yeah, I claim everything. Let's just hurry up. Oh, I'm using boost. Yeah! Time to full the power! Sorry. Oh, what I get? I'll go left. Oh, I get this! Okay, what the? Whoa. Okay, why's fast? Why's he fast? Oh, I got a box! Oh my gosh! I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. Yes, I got a magnet. Come on, hurry up, we're running out of time, Okay, this one. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I'm focusing. Focus on shoot. I got bomb. Why is this so terrible? I don't know. Oh my god. No! You can't be kidding me. 65,000 score? Okay, that is enough. I'm gonna be honest. I got? Oh, I got a money. I don't know what's the point of that. Okay, thanks for that. I don't know why we're doing that. Wait, how do I claim it? I don't know. Oh, okay, claim? Oh my gosh, I have to watch it again? Alright, let's hurry up. Okay, nice. Oh, that! Yes! Yes! Power! Power time. Yeah. What? What is this? Oh, okay. Oh. What was that? Oh, I need a jetpack. No. Hurry up. Hurry up. Oh, jump. Do that. Yes, thank you. You know what? Oh my gosh. I'm so new. You know, guys, I'm ending the video, okay? I'll see you next week, I guess. Bye bye. I don't care.